Today I'm going to show you how to make a Middle Eastern dinner. I'm going to show you how to make fresh pita bread, falafel bowls, fried eggplants, Israeli salad, hummus salad, and tahina salad. Falafel is one of the most popular food in the Middle East. It can either be eaten as fast food or you can find it in Middle East fancy restaurants too. Falafel is the plural of the Arabic word filfil, which means pepper. Because of the many immigrants that came to the United States from Arab countries, you can find a lot of restaurants around the country that would serve falafel. Falafel, which was brought to us from Egypt originally, became in Israel, where I live now, the national dish.